Time then to get you some market opinion. Let's hear out what Rhythm Desai of Morgan Stanley. He remains optimistic on India, says that valuation-wise as well, India is still attractive.
So far as global factors remain supportive, I think we're okay. This is 80% of this move which we have had since December is global. And it continues to be global. On India per se, valuations relative to EM are quite attractive. We are at November 13 levels, which is, the post Fed taper scare. Relative to bonds, we are at August 13 levels. So if you are a local investor comparing equities to bonds, equity is clearly preferred. If you're a global investor comparing India versus emerging markets, India clearly preferred. So it sits at the top of our pecking list on the EM asset class. And I would certainly think that the markets have relative upside from here.
You'll again go back to earnings because finally that's what takes the stock markets up. And I think those are still looking lackluster on an aggregate basis. So we will still find, specific stocks which do well, but on an aggregate, it's still looking very lackluster. The consensus has already moved to close to 18-20% for the next year. I don't see that happening. Maybe the number will be closer to 10%. So I do see consensus downgrades. But I think as the year progresses.
All right, then I think we should keep